Hello guys, thank you for watching another episode of Cooking with Chef Chantel. Today I will be making some salmon shrimp scampi, and I have some green beans. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and read the description below for recipe directions, or you may find this recipe and many more on my food blog at www.tgplatefoodblog.blogspot.com. Okay, so let's take our seasoned salmon and we're going to pan sear this in the skillet. At this moment, your skillet should have already been preheated. So you want to allow this to cook on each side for 10 minutes. Okay, for your green beans, you want to have your water already boiling with a dash of salt and some margarine. Now let's go ahead and prepare our green beans. So you want to cut the ends, or you can just pop them off with your hands. Well, this is a large bag of green beans. I'm pretty sure I won't use the entire bag. If you are cooking for a family, then besides for yourself, then you can use the entire bag, or you may even have to buy more green beans. So after we cut these, they need to be washed first before placing them into your pot of boiling water. Please note, if you don't have access to fresh green beans, you can also use the canned kind or the frozen green beans. let me let you see how this looks. Okay, some of them I am able to pull apart, and those are just very few that I'm using the kitchen scissors for. Okay, the green beans have been washed. Mind the smoke. Now, I forgot to mention, if you don't like the elegance of the long green beans, you can break them up into smaller pieces. So you want to allow this to boil until this is tender. And as you can see, the salmon is completely cooked. Okay, let's get prepared to make the shrimp scampi. So right now I am just peeling the shell off of the shrimp. This is very easy to make. The shrimp scampi, just a few ingredients. Please guys, make sure that you are using raw shrimp for this. Do not buy the shrimp that is already cooked. It must be raw. Okay, now let's get ready to prepare the shrimp scampi. I just have some melted butter and garlic. I added some seasoning to my shrimp. So that was some seasoned salt or Creole seasoning. And then I used some Mrs. Dash, the garlic flavor Mrs. Dash, and I put the lemon flavor Mrs. Dash as well. So this was, you want to use at least 3 tablespoons of butter and allow them to cook until it is pink. Do not overcook. It should just take a few minutes. As you can see, it is all about the butter and garlic when you're making your shrimp scampi. Now let's check on our green beans. Upon completion of your green beans, which is when they are tender, you want to drain the majority of the water off and then add some seasoning. You can add salt and pepper or seasoned salt just to give it some flavor. Okay, yummo. The shrimp scampi is completely done. Okay, let's plate our food. Here's the finished product. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, please read the description below. You will find the recipe directions. And also, I made a correction, so please read the description below. And you all have a blessed day. See you next time.